Hola,
Hola.
and welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne.
Yeah, here we are today at the newly about to open in about 2 minutes by the Mayor, Eduardo Dolon. It's very exciting. The new park at La Siesta, and it's £4.2 million investment from the council. It was started in January 2023, and today is the day it's going to open.
And it's the 16th of March,
Yeah, it's
Saturday,
warm as well.
and it's really warm today
We've been here a week, and it's the warmest day by far that we've had so far.
so far, and it's only 11 o'clock in the morning, so
Yeah.
it's going to get warmer.
So let's just show you what's going on. There's people waiting to go in. They've not opened the gates yet. I suppose they're waiting for Mr. Dolon to come along and do his inauguration speech. So let's have a look. Right, okay, so here we are. We've got Andy with us from Casas, Espania, the station just 200 yards away, and he's also with Brits living in Spain, their channel, which you must look at. And I've just got a couple of questions for him because he lives in the area.
Well,
he resides in the area, he works in the area, I should say. And really, Andy, has there been any disruptions during the build? Since 2023, when it January 2023 they started building?
No, not really, not that you notice. I mean, the roads, it's not a busy area. Unless you're coming onto the estate, you've got no reason to be on the estate. So it's at the beginning of the estate, so there's no traffic. There was no construction traffic going through the estate because it was all here.
Yeah.
Fine. And the roads are wide enough, and there's because it's so big, you've got access from both sides, and most of it's been coming from the top end where the car park is, so no.
What do you think you'll do for the area?
We've already seen it's been popular. I mean, at weekends when the gates weren't locked, shall we say, and people weren't supposed to be in, the pump track, I mean, we've got footage of them on the pump track, proper loads of them. Kids are going to love it. So it's been quite popular.
Yeah.
Just behind you, not that you can see, but I'll give you the footage. You've got the Mayor, Eduardo Dolon.
Right. Oh, he's right next to us. I'd love to say hello to him. Thank you very much for this. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you.
Eduardo.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. ¿Qué tal, bien?
It's got to be really well received by the residents.
I mean, I think the biggest problem is we've got footage from before they started work, because this is the second attempt they've had at doing this park, to my knowledge. But hopefully, eventually, it'll become more developed with the plants and the shrubs, because they have planted quite a bit. There's an irrigation system in. You can see on the mounds, as you'll do. I think that's going to look quite nice when it's done. There's in the region of 4,000 properties on La Siesta, San Luis, and El Chaparral at the minute. Then when you take into all the other properties into account, but there's people coming from Torrevieja and further afield.
Yeah.
The pump track is one of the biggest, as far as I'm aware, in Spain. It's going to be used for the Nationals in, I'm not sure, later this year. It might be July, August or November. I can't remember the exact date. So there's a lot of people for that. I'm looking forward to getting here with the pups.
Yeah.
In there.
Yeah. Fantastic.
So, should be good.
This is the dogs area where the dogs can get some exercise. Absolutely wonderful. Look at that. All the little jumps and things they've got. So we're just having a walk around the park, and it's fantastic, isn't it? Look at these lovely flowers we've got here.
Yeah.
And this is like a picnic area. On the right hand side, table tennis. Oh, very good.
How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Excellent.
How are you doing the table tennis?
We are not doing that at all. Actually, this year we have started the competition at the regional league of the Valencian region.
Right.
And so, well, we are first of the group, and next year with an idea to promote to the first league in the Valencian region.
Excellent, excellent, yeah. So you're looking for players?
Actually, yes.
Yeah.
We have there's a club, okay, where we train Tuesdays and Thursdays from 7 to 9.
Yeah.
And this is at the multi-purpose room, just by the access of the athletics area.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
So any day you're welcome there.
Marvellous, fantastic, thank you very much. Well, we're going to do a big one there, weren't you? She said, no, I won't do that to him. Hopefully this kiosk will open.
They haven't got the staff for it yet.
Yeah. Oh, look at this lovely area here.
There's children area.
Yeah, let's we'll come in and turn the camera around so you can see. There's the play area.
Nice safe areas as well, aren't there, with the grass?
Yeah, nice and safe. Oh, there you should.
4 to 12 years old.
Yeah, 4 to 12 on these pieces of equipment. Oh, it's going to be hard to go up that side.
She's got to the top.
Oh. Yeah, so this is the open area in the middle. Sort of in the middle towards the back of the park, where we've got basketball. What can we see? We can see basketball, hockey,
Kickboxing.
kickboxing going on. That's good, isn't it? Let's have a look at this. You want to turn? You want to go?
You're all right.
This fella here. You can never go.
I'm not going to ever go that
Are you
now.
going to go?
No. Might injure somebody.
So what do you think so far then?
I think it's pretty good.
I think it's excellent.
Yeah.
don't you? I mean, there's hundreds of people here. We've got basketball going on there, 2 courts of basketball. We've got 2 courts of racquetball going on there. We've got a big team, 2 hockey teams playing. We've got people playing table tennis at the top. Let's see what we've got behind us. Let's have a look. We haven't seen the pump track yet, the star of the show. Now the pump track is separated into 3 areas, is that right? One's for small children, one's for intermediate children, I would say, or intermediate people that have sort of had some experience. And then there's a big section there for the people that know what they're doing. So let's have a quick look. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? What would happen if we got those bikes on the end?
Fall off.
This place is absolutely fantastic. If you're ever in the area, in Torrevieja, anywhere near the El Chaparral, La Siesta, San Luis area, come down and have a look at La Siesta Park. It's absolutely brilliant. It's got everything. So you could come down here and spend a day. You've got refreshments over the road. There's a nice Mino's bar there over the road. There's Bar Quick. There's a pizza place. Even the bank if you run out of money. Although it doesn't cost you anything to come here, you just come in and enjoy yourself. And on that note, I think it's time to wrap the video up.
Yes.
So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
It's free, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
Bing!
Adios.